Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Kinetic Sand Surprises. I wonder what's inside. Let's find out. Look, we found Peppa Pig using a hammer. So fun! Hi, Peppa! Let's use some pliers. Wow, it's Thomas. He loves riding the rails. Choo-choo. Let's use our drill. Look, it's Thor! So fun! Whoa, that's a big tower! I can break it down with my mighty hammer! That's really strong! We're gonna need something bigger! Let's try our wrench. Who is it? It's Doc Mcstuffins! Hey, Doc! Let me help get you out of there. Here we go. We got Doc Mcstuffins out. I love Doc Mcstuffins. Let's see what's inside of this. We're gonna use our flathead screwdriver. Wow, it looks like Zuma. Wow, Zuma was having fun in the sand. His action pack is ready to go. Does anyone need rescuing? We have one more surprise. I want to use my hammer again. Maybe I'll use my hammer and my screwdriver. Wow, look! It's Amber! All of these toys are so much fun! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.